Hey, what's up? Hey, what's up, everyone? If you are marketing a credit deal, this capture page will get you signups and opt-ins. Conversion Pro shows you how to market different from everyone else. We also teach you how to brand yourself. This is a new capture page that's created for anyone that's marketing credit repair, whether you're in the FES, Myecon, whatever else you're in that markets credit. This is an awesome capture page to grab people's attention. We also show you how to brand yourself with your own pictures. This is my econ funnel capture page. Thank you page with all of my contact information and my presentation. If you're selling the company, you're making a huge mistake. You want to always sell yourself and brand yourself first, because people don't join companies, people join people. So um, be different from everyone else. Sign up today with Conversion Pros for free, 1 week trial, and I'll show you how to get your web pages put together so you can market like a professional. I'm out.